Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.6 on Kubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. See here, at the time of installation the latest release is 17.6. Click on download or click on download, both are same. So click on download, then select Linux, then select Ubuntu because we don't have the Kubuntu. Okay, so select Ubuntu. Then scroll down, see here, to manually configure the apt repository, follow these steps. So we have to run this command, copy these commands one by one, open terminal or console, paste it, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. CS certificates is already needed version, so it is going to install curl, so type and hit enter. It is done. Ctrl A. Now import repository signing key by running these two commands. Now create the repository configuration file. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. We have successfully updated. Ctrl A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. See, if you don't give the version, it will install latest version. If you want to install like 16, you have to give -16. If you want to install 15, give -15. Okay, I want to install latest version, so hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. Okay, type for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and see here, this is the data directory location. And see here, default values, max connections 100, default shared buffer size is 128 megabytes, default time zone is Asia, Kolkata. This is based on my system configuration. Okay, Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running, and it is enabled. See here, it is active and running. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. Now verify the version, select version. We have installed PostgreSQL server 17.6, but this is not the PostgreSQL server version, it is PSQL client version. Okay, Ctrl L. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is, see here, which is having super user privilege. Okay, you can also get the list of the users by running select username from pj_user. See, you got the list of the users. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Alter role means we have successfully set the password for Postgres user. Now verify list of databases /l, or you can run the select dat name from pj_database. See, we got the same. Even if you run /l meta command, see, you got the same. Okay, quit. Ctrl A. Now create a database. Create, then provide the name of the database. Create database, then provide the name of the database. Hit enter. See, we have created database. Quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. Switch to database, we have to use /c or /connect. Either is same. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Let us create table in this database. Before that, verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table customer See, we have created table in public schema, and see, Postgres is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now exit from the current session and connect with this new user. PSQL-H means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. -u must be caps, then provide the new username. David-D means database name, Postgres, then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Now try to run query against the table that we have created in this database. See, permission denied for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges for this user. That's why we have received this error. Okay, so exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Kubuntu 24.04.3. Exit. We can't start with this user, so exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL, enter again. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, quit Control-A. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect to PostgreSQL server because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. So we can't stop or start with this user. So exit. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is active and running. We have started 2 seconds ago. Quit Control-A. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. The last option that I want to show you is connect to PostgreSQL server. Again, Postgres PSQL. Now we'll see configuration files location and data and log directory location. So config_file. So HPA_file. So data_direct. So log_. See here, this until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or dbver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Linux operating systems. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.